Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. If you're looking to transfer your Litecoin from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase in 2025, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner building your portfolio or an experienced trader, this process is simpler than you might think. First things first, make sure you have both the Phantom Wallet app and a Coinbase account set up. If not, download Phantom from the App Store or their official website and create or log into your Coinbase account. It's crucial to double-check that your accounts are verified to avoid any hiccups. Now, let's dive in. Open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to your Litecoin balance. You'll see a list of your assets, find Litecoin and select it. Next, look for the Send or Transfer button, usually represented by an arrow icon. This is where the magic happens. Before you proceed, you'll need your Coinbase wallet address. Hop over to Coinbase, go to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Phantom, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to account for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details carefully, including the transaction fee, and hit Confirm. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once submitted, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your Phantom wallet for confirmation notifications. Finally, head back to Coinbase and refresh your account to see your Litecoin arrive. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, check for network updates or contact support from both platforms. And there you have it. Your Litecoin is now safely in Coinbase. This method keeps your assets secure and gives you more flexibility for trading or staking. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay crypto savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.